Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you don't know who I am, basically guys, I specialise in finding you ways to save money. Now, you're watching this video because you're looking for the best Boohoo promo codes or discount codes in 2023 as well as 2024. So I've managed to find possibly the greatest Boohoo discount codes, and you're going to be able to save $100 off your next order, and it will just transfer to your local currency, so it doesn't matter if you're not in the US. So if you're in the UK, it's going to be around 80 Great British pounds. So let me head to my desk and show you guys how you can get yours. So yeah, let's do this. Let me run through the tutorial on where you can go ahead and get your very own Boohoo promo code. Open up the internet. I'm using an iPhone here, but you can use whatever device, and go to this website, giftcardhero.net. When it loads up, we need to press this menu button, go to the search bar, and just type what you're looking for, in this case Boohoo. Here we go, Boohoo promo codes. This has been used a bunch of times by verified users, so it's rated 5-star. That means it's working, which is a good sign. And here we go, $100 off your order for new and existing customers, verified today, so that means it's been used today. So how do we get the code? We need to press this green button, and this screen is going to load up. Now this is a verification, so essentially it's a completely free step, but it takes a couple of minutes and this will unlock your code. So we need to complete 2 of the offers here, and as you can see there's a description below each one. You can read these carefully to make sure you do it correctly, but I'm going to go ahead and complete a couple of these free surveys. Now I'm going to input my email address, then I'm going to go back, do a second one, and yeah, we'll return, and if we do it correctly it will give us our code. So give me 2 minutes, I'm just going to input my email address and my details, and then I'll return. So I'm back, and it took me a couple of minutes. Like I say, I just finished those 2 surveys. So if you do it correctly, when you return to the other tab, you can see the code is now revealed. So when entered into checkout, this will reduce your Boohoo order by $100. Now I'm not going to use this code, but like I say, these are one-time use, so that means one person can go ahead and grab that. But the rest of you are going to have to go and get your own at giftcardhero.net. And it's as easy as that, guys. Like I say, it took me a couple of minutes, and once you get your code, add anything you wish to purchase to your basket, enter the code at checkout, and it's going to reduce it by $100. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.